Over the past few centuries, humanity has accomplished some pretty remarkable things. We've cured diseases, built cities, and even explored outer space. But perhaps most impressive of all is what we've discovered about the universe. Through countless hours of observation and experimentation, we have unlocked some of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos and learned more about our place in it than ever before. So join me as we take a look at some of humanity's biggest discoveries over the past few centuries and see how they have changed our understanding of the world around us. One of the first major discoveries that we made during this time was that the Earth is not the center of the universe. For centuries, most people believed that the Earth was at the center of the universe, with everything else revolving around it. This belief was so widespread that it was even taught in schools and universities. However, in the early 17th century, a Polish astronomer named Nicolaus Copernicus published a book called De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium, which presented a new theory. His theory suggested that the Sun, not the Earth, is at the center of the universe with the planets, including Earth, revolving around it. At first, this theory was met with a lot of resistance, because it went against the long-held beliefs of the time. However, as more and more evidence came to light, it became clear that Copernicus was right. This discovery had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. It marked a shift from a geocentric view of the universe to a heliocentric view. This discovery also paved the way for future discoveries and advancements in astronomy and science as a whole. Another major discovery we made was the laws of motion and universal gravitation. These laws were discovered by Sir Isaac Newton, one of the most influential scientists of all time. He published his laws of motion in 1687 in a book called Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica. These laws explained how objects move and interact with each, as well as the law of universal gravitation, which explained how every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. These laws have had a major impact on our understanding of the universe. They have been used to predict the motion of planets and other celestial bodies, as well as the behavior of objects on Earth. Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation are still used today and are a cornerstone of classical mechanics. In addition to discovering the laws of motion and universal gravitation, Isaac Newton also developed calculus, one of the most important branches of mathematics. Calculus is used to study change and motion and has countless applications in science, engineering, and other fields. Newton developed calculus independently from Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, who was a German mathematician and philosopher. Despite the controversy surrounding who developed calculus first, there is no doubt that both Newton and Leibniz made significant contributions to the field. Newton's work on calculus laid the foundation for many of the scientific discoveries that were made in the following centuries. It provided the tools necessary to understand and quantify the complexities of the natural world. Without Newton's contributions to mathematics, many of the discoveries we've made about the universe may have been impossible. In the late 19th century, Albert Einstein developed the theory of special relativity. This theory revolutionized our understanding of space and time and is one of the cornerstones of modern physics. Special relativity showed that time is not absolute, but is relative to the observer's frame of reference. This means that time can pass differently for two observers who are moving relative to each other. Einstein also showed that the speed of light is constant and that mass and energy are equivalent. As expressed in the famous equation E equals mc, this discovery had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe and led to the development of new technologies such as GPS. Another major discovery of the modern scientific age was the structure of DNA. It's the molecule that carries genetic information in all living organisms. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick, along with Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins, discovered the double helix structure of DNA. This discovery was a major breakthrough in our understanding of genetics and led to advances in fields such as medicine and biotechnology. The discovery of the structure of DNA has had a profound impact on our understanding of life itself. It has allowed us to learn how genetic information is stored and transmitted, leading to advances in gene editing, genetic testing, and other areas of biotechnology. The invention of the computer has also been a major development of the modern scientific age. Computers have revolutionized the way we process information and have had a major impact on almost every aspect of our lives. The first general-purpose electronic computer was the ENIAC Ace, which was completed in 1945. Since then, computers have become smaller, faster, and more powerful, leading to the development of artificial intelligence, the internet, and other technologies that have transformed our society. Finally, one of the most recent and exciting discoveries of the modern scientific age is the discovery of the Higgs boson particle. The Higgs boson is a fundamental particle in the Standard Model of particle physics and is responsible for giving other particles their mass. It was discovered in 2012 at the Large Hadron Collider in Geneva, and its discovery was a major milestone in our understanding of the universe. The discovery of the Higgs boson particle has had a major impact on particle physics and has led to new research and experiments to further explore the nature of the universe. As you can see, the past few centuries have been a time of great discovery for humanity. From uncovering the secrets of the universe to developing life-changing technologies, we have accomplished some truly remarkable things. The discoveries I've shared with you are just a small fraction of what has been achieved during this time. There have been countless other discoveries that have shaped our world and advanced our understanding of the universe. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think is the most amazing discovery of the past few centuries? How has it impacted your life? And what do you think humanity will discover in the next few centuries? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, do you ever feel like no matter how much you learn, there's just more to discover? Like we're just scratching the surface of all the knowledge out there? Well, you're not alone. And it turns out that we might be entering an age where the pace of discovery is about to accelerate like never before. See, we're at a pivotal moment in history. We're on the verge of unlocking some of the deepest mysteries of the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. And with the advent of powerful new technologies, we're better equipped than ever to push the boundaries of human knowledge. For example, we're making incredible progress in fields like artificial intelligence, where machines are now able to learn and adapt in ways that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. This could revolutionize everything from healthcare to transportation, allowing us to solve some of the world's most complex problems. And then there's space exploration. The coming years will be launching the first of the James Webb Space Telescope's missions, which will allow us to peer even deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. With this powerful new telescope, we'll be able to see things that have never been seen before. From the formation of the first galaxies, to the discovery of new worlds, and possibly even signs of life beyond Earth. But perhaps most exciting of all is the prospect of exploring our own universe in new and uncharted territory. With the advent of commercial space travel, anyone will soon be able to experience the wonder and awe of seeing our planet from a whole new perspective. However, as we venture further into the unknown, we must also be prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. From ethical dilemmas to resource scarcity, we all need to work together to ensure that our discoveries benefit all of humanity and do enrich a select few. That's why it's so important to stay informed and engaged in the world around us. By understanding the issues that affect our world, we can make sure that we're all working towards a better future for everyone. So if you're ready to join the adventure and explore the uncharted territories of our universe, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Together, we can uncover the secrets of the cosmos and ensure that the best is yet to come for humanity. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Would you like to compile these scripts into a full educational video series or playlist outline?